Dear students, this is Pravir Agarwal from Management Department, RMT Chandosi, welcomes you again in today's lecture of Managerial Economics. Today, we will discuss some of the numericals on methods measuring price elasticity of demand. As in previous lectures, we have discussed about the different methods of measuring price elasticity of demand. Today, we will discuss some of the numericals on these methods. Let us discuss the first example. Calculate elasticity of demand of commodity A and B on the basis of the following information. Commodity, some of the information is given here. Commodity A, commodity B, initial price, new price, initial quantity, new quantity, 4, 5, 5, 3, for B, 3, 4, 5, 4. This is the information given to you. You have to calculate the value of elasticity of demand and its nature from the given information. We will use the percentage method here for this. So let us come to the numerical for commodity A. For commodity A, P is given 4, P1 is given is equal to 5, Q is given equal to 5 and Q1 is given equal to 3. Delta P is equal to P1 difference P, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Delta Q is equal to Q1 difference Q, 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2. Now we have the formula from percentage method. The formula is EP is equal to minus delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. We have the values. Put the values here. Delta Q minus 2 upon delta P, 1 into P, that is 4, upon Q, that is 5, plus 4 into 2, 8 upon 5, 5, 1, 5 into 5, and 5 into 6, 30. So we have the value 1.6. So EP is equal to EP for commodity A is equal to 1.6. This is the value which we are getting because this value is greater than 1. Greater than 1, it means it is relatively price elastic demand. Clear? Now come on commodity B. Look here in the example for commodity B. P is equal to 3, P1 is equal to 4, Q is equal to 5 and Q1 is equal to 4. Come delta P, P1 difference P, that is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Delta Q is equal to Q1 difference Q, 4 minus 5 minus 1. Now again from percentage method, EP is equal to minus delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q minus delta Q minus 1 upon delta P 1 into P is giving you 3 upon Q is giving you 5. Minus cancel. 3 upon 5, that is 0.6. So here we have EP is equal to EP for commodity B is equal to 0.6. This is the value of price elasticity demand. This is less than 1. So in case of B, the demand will be relatively price inelastic. So you are clear with this example. Let us move to the second example. Second example is this one. Price of the commodity rises from rupees 4 per unit to rupees 5 per unit and quantity demanded falls from 20 units to 10 units. Using percentage method, total outlay method, arc method, find out price elasticity of demand. So you are the information given here. What information is given? P is equal to 4. P1 is equal to 5. Q is equal to 20. Q1 is equal to 10. From here, calculate delta P is equal to P1 difference P, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Calculate delta Q, Q1 difference Q, 10 minus 20 is equal to minus 10. Clear? Now, first, we will use percentage method. According to percentage method, AP is equal to minus delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q is equal to minus delta Q minus 10 delta P 1 into P 4 upon Q 20. 1 0 cancel. 2 into 2 4, that is equal to 2. The EP is equal to 2 from this method. This is more than 1, so it will be relatively price elastic demand. Clear? Now come to the second method, that is total outlay method. Initial expenditure. When P is equal to 4, comma, initial expenditure is equal to P into Q, that is 4 into Q is equal to 20. 4 into 20, that is 80. When P is equal to P1 is equal to 5, the new expenditure is equal to P1 into Q1. P1 is 5 and Q1 is 10. 5 into 10, 50. You know what you're looking here? The price is increasing, okay, and expenditure is decreasing. Price is increasing and expenditure is decreasing. So when price is increasing and expenditure is decreasing, then this is the case of relatively price elastic demand. So it will be relatively price elastic demand. With the help of total outlay method, we can only know that what is the nature of elasticity. We cannot determine the value. That's why we are having here the nature, that it is relatively price elastic demand. Now come to the third one. The third one is ARC method. ARC method, the formula for ARC method is EP is equal to minus delta Q upon delta P into P1 plus P upon Q1 plus Q is equal to minus, put down the values, delta Q, it is equal to minus 10, delta P 1, P1 5 plus 4P, Q1 is 10, Q is 20, minus cancel, 10 upon 1 into 5 plus 4, 9 upon 10 plus 20, 30, 0 0 cancel, 3 times, we have the value 3. So EP is equal to 3 with the help of ARC method. This is greater than 1, so it will be relatively price elastic. Clear? So these are some of the numericals on price elasticity of demand. Thank you.